What's up, guys? I've got a super awesome product here today. This is the STREBITO 142 piece screwdriver set. It's perfect for electronic repairs, whether it's phones, Apple or Android, laptops, whether it's Dell or iMacs, tablets, things of that nature. You can use it with other things like sunglasses, glasses, things like that need little tiny screwdriver heads. But ideally, this is a phone electronic repair kit. Like I said, it's got 142 pieces. 120 of them are screwdriver heads. It comes in this awesome case. It Velcros open, and voila. So you've got 22 other tools and 120 different drill bits. So how it works is you get the screwdriver shaft itself. It's got a magnetic base, and it's capable of being extended, and a bunch of other really cool things. It's ergonomically designed, and it's got a non-slip grip. Really cool. The way you extend it, push down, and then just pull this out as far as you want. So if you want it at this distance, twist that back, it snaps in, and you're good to go. Really cool, really easy to use, very high quality, very diverse, really awesome product. So we will operate on an iPhone 8. So what I'm going to do with that is take out the star 0.8 head. So this right here, all you have to do, slide it in, and it's magnetized, so that's going to stay put. You're all good to go there. And the head of the screwdriver is also magnetized, so when you are pulling out a tiny little screw, it's not going to fall on the floor. It's going to stay on the head of the screwdriver. So we have an iPhone 8 right here. I'm going to take out this little screw right here. With this. So line it up. And there we go. There is the screw. Just took it out of that hole. One really awesome feature is when you're working with tiny little screws like this, it's so small the camera really can't even focus on it. But when you're working with tiny little screws like this, it's very easy to lose them. One awesome feature about the STREBITO screwdriver kit is that it's got a magnetized pad. And it's got a bunch of different squares so that you can fill them in and let yourself know what you're working on and what kind of screw it is. So just take the screw and place it on the pad, and it's going to stay put. Really awesome. Really cool feature. Very helpful. It allows you to keep track of what you've got, what you're working on, and not have the hassle of having to go out and buy more screws. So this is the screwdriver. Just showed you guys how to use the tip. I already showed you how to extend it. Again, you just push this down and extend it. Really awesome. It's like I said, it's got 120 different drill bits or screwdriver bits. Really cool. It's got a bunch of other tools over here. We'll go through a couple of those. It comes with a bunch of screen repair picks where you slide it under and help pop it open. So you got plenty of those, and a place to store them as well. Okay. And it has a scalpel, another pick, a double-ended pick with a pointy end and a flathead screwdriver head. A pair of mini pliers, and 2 more picks. So you've got a bunch of different tools, all stored in one place. It's got flaps all around, really easy to store. All you have to do is fold that up, fold this over, and Velcro it back down. So it's very compact, very portable, easy to use on the go, very diverse, really, really awesome product. The STREBITO 142 piece screwdriver set is a 10 out of 10. Highly, highly recommend. Go get it today.